So we are once again here by this location, which now with these huge mountains of gravel, sand, and also, as you can see, asphalt remains. And these are let's say construction waste, so used construction material. And I believe that here they don't actually will build something. Hope that you can see that's orange machine. I think this is not a construction site, but basically, you know, gravel, sand processing place, if you can call it a plant. As you can see, another. And basically they are here storing the material to make, you know, sand for construction or gravel. Now you have a different, you know, let's say qualities of it, from larger to small. And I believe this covered perhaps would be, you know, sand, the finest gravel. So yeah, it's quite some pieces of machinery that they have there, but yeah, doesn't appear that there would be a construction going on the site per se. I tried to go up that, you know, mount that is surrounding the site, but it's too steep for, you know, safely go up. Perhaps if I would try it in the corner next time, which is the lowest part, because on that side is the highest when I tried it. So yeah, perhaps next time we will take a closer look at what's going on there. And Lisa doesn't care.